Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. It's DIY time and today it's time to say goodbye to 2022 and hello to 2023. So let's get started. To make this Dresser Cute Mini 2023 calendar, just go to my website at dressercute.com to print out this template. So it is completely free as always, and what you're going to need to do is print out this part 1 right here on a regular 8.5 by 11 copy paper, and part 2, which is the stand. If you can, preferably find a harder stock paper, colored paper, to print the stand on so everything just stands up a little bit better. So once you have printed everything out, what you're going to need is some color markers or color pencils, whatever you need to color this in, some glue and scissors. So the first thing we want to do today is we're going to work on the calendar itself. So once you've colored everything, you want to cut out each panel right here. So you're going to end up with 6 of these, and also this one as well. It's just so 7 panels total. And once you've colored everything, it is going to look like this. I'm speeding everything up because I've done this for so many years. So I'm sure most of my cuties here know everything, what you need to do. But for my new cuties, welcome to my channel. And I really hope you love this calendar. So like I said, once you've cut out everything, this is what you're going to end up with. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just, it's this way, right? So January facing you, well, it doesn't matter. This part doesn't matter. You just want to go ahead and fold everything in half. So I'm just going to go March, April, and fold that in half. I really hope you love coloring. They're really tiny, so I think markers are probably a little bit easier, or colored pencils. Crayons are going to be really tough because it's just too small. But I really love this calendar. Well, yeah, I love it because it's just, I use it really on my desk every year, and I still have all my old ones. And so I really hope you do too, and love all the Dresser Cute pictures, drawings that I've put on this year. So once you've folded everything, you want to go ahead and right here, you're going to start to make the stand. So the stand, like I said, I'm just going to show you a really quick video of how I've done it over the years. So the stand right here, once again, if you can, please print it out on a harder stock paper, just so it works better. And our goal right now is to basically just go ahead and cut out all the solid lines, and then at the dotted line is where I'm going to be folding. From there, now that you've cut out all the solid lines, we're going to go ahead and fold this in. So I'm going to take this flap right here and fold it right at that dotted line. And it should fold right perfectly because you've cut these 2 little grooves in. Right at the dotted line. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold that down. So right there, and do the same thing on this side. So whatever, if you have colored stock paper at home, you can make your stand different colors, but I just wanted to show you on the white stock paper just so it's easier for you to see. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and either tape or glue this panel right here together. So let's see here. I'm going to glue mine. Put a piece of paper underneath so it doesn't mess up my table. And I'm going to put some glue right here on the shaded part. And once again, you can either staple it or tape it together. It's all up to you. So from there, very simply, just go ahead and line up these 2 edges and press down and just hold it for a few seconds until it dries. And just like that, you have a little stand, nice and easy. So now that you've made your stand, that should look something like this. You want to go ahead and organize your sheets. So I like to start with the back one, which is the special dates and notes. And you just pop that on right here. And we're going to go backwards. So I need to find, bear with me here. I'm going to find December and November. And so November is going to face me. And then we're going to find, let's see here, October and September. So September should face me. And then August and July. So July should face me. And let's see here. Then June, May. So we're going to go with May up here. And then April, March. So March should be facing me. And then last but not least, January, February. So January should be facing me. And I'm just going to pat them all in. And ta-da! That's it. Nice little calendar, right? And so how it works is basically you have January right here. And once you're done with January, you just turn your calendar around. And then you're going to have February. And once that's over, I'm sorry, my hands are like so dry right now. It's so hard to hold these papers. Once that's over, you just tuck it under. And then you're going to have March, April, right? And then you tuck. So let me move this away because it's just like it's so hard for me to hold. So March, April, and then you're going to have May, and then June. And then you tuck that under. And then July, August, and then September, October, and last but not least, November, and then December again. So that is it. I really hope that you've love this calendar that I've created for you this year, just as much as all the other ones I've done so far for the past, I don't know, I think the last one I did was like, the first one I ever did was probably 2017. So it's been a long time. So thank you, cuties, for all your love and support throughout these years. And I really hope to keep drawing for you and inspiring you, and of course creating another calendar for you in 2024. Thanks so much for watching, and once again, like I said, just go to my website at drawsocute.com and you can download this absolutely free. It's just made for you cuties. I love you and see you next year. Bye bye.